That was a little rough. Now, let me make sure she a little wet.
Be rude one more time. One more time, be rude.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Worldofzach here, back for another video, and it's Zach with the glossy lips here. You know, not Becky with the good hair, but Zach with the glossy lips. Hey, how you doing? So today I'm like super excited because I've been wanting to review this brand for a while, like talk about these products for a while, and I'm finally gonna do it today because they came out with this super dope product, like a crayon box, whatever. We're gonna discuss that in a second. But before we just discuss that, you know, we're gonna discuss the fact that you haven't subscribed yet, but you're going to. Let's discuss it, sis. Because you're going to subscribe. I know you will. You're going to hit your notification bell, like right next to the subscribe button. Because, you know, YouTube is petty and they won't let you know when I post and they posting and stuff. You're going to miss some hot fire. So don't. Just don't. Help yourself out. Subscribe. Give it a thumbs up. Because you like this video. And we're inclusive here. And we're about love and beauty. And all, you gonna see in the video. You're gonna see in the video. We just hopping over here, okay? You with it. So now that we covered that, back to business. So the Crayon Case. The Crayon Case is a brand that was created by Raynell Stewart. You know, her name is Super, but she was born Raynell in New Orleans, baby. I'm from the South, so you know, I got New Orleans, baby. Oh, I want some shrimp and grits now. Ooh, some shrimp and grits sound real good. With some seasoning, oh girl, with some Cajun cream. Okay, I'm sorry. Back to work. But pretty much she was like huge on social media and everything like that, and took her platform to create this makeup brand, something like really trending, be inclusive, and just support creatives and try to build people up and everything like that, and doing good, feeding the homeless. Like, Super is lit. If you don't know who Super is, go ahead and check her out. I'm gonna try to have her stuff down below. I'm definitely gonna be tagging all this stuff on Instagram if everything works out good. Yes, Super, I gotta keep it real with you. I like you, sis. I'm here with you, Super. But if this don't work out, sis, we're gonna have to have a conversation. We're gonna have to talk. All right? All right.
Oh, did I forget to say black owned, black female owned? Did you hear that? It's a black female who oh, okay, I wanted you to know. Black female.
Yes, God. Yes, we can. And we will. And we have. And we will continue. So the palette comes in this nice black packaging, you know. We're gonna rip this off. Some tissue paper. Sorry if the sound is like real weird and it's just bothering you. I'm sorry, sis, but it has to come off, so yeah. Comes packaged like this. Oh, girl, this is big. Girl, she is a little big. She's a little large. Alright. Large and protected. Large with a little bit of protection on her. Alright, I see. Okay, so finally, 10,000 layers later, all the protection is there, so your package will get to you safe and secure. We're gonna see when we open it. But this is the palette right here. It's freaking huge. I got a big head, and this palette is big, sis. It's a big one, alright? And this is a pretty big palette, and I'm really liking this palette size for $30, like $30 palette. It's lit. Like 30 bones? Okay. Okay, come with a little thin sheet that falls out. Okay. A huge can we say mirror together? Can we all spell out mirror before we get to mirror, colors, everything? This is beautiful. Like, oh my God. Y'all might think I'm being extra, but because I am being extra, but like, this is beautiful. $30. The palette looks great. The mirror is huge. Looks nice. Pans look huge, secure. They're not falling out or nothing like that, doing nothing crazy. No, they're not trying to, the pan sizes, they're not trying to clock out on us. Like, they're okay. And the colors look great. And everything is pretty much standard issue. It's blues, green, red, yellow. Like, the names are all pretty much with whatever the color is. But let's see how these shadows perform though real quick, okay? Okay, so I think I'm just gonna start out by going in with the red shadow and seeing how she does. Okay, so she's pigmented. She's there. All right. What did I just do? All right, Zach. All right. The red is definitely pigmented. She's there. She didn't come to play. She's here. She's home now. She's made this her place. Wow. The pigment. And I'm just using this for a crease color. Like, whoa. I'm sorry. I'm trying to process what I just did. I'm gonna have to try to make this work. I don't know why I went in with red first, but okay. So I can't really say if it's the shadow or just my lid's been a little bit weird and dry and stuff. but in some places it's just picking up a little bit darker than others. But other than that though, it's like blending out super nicely, super easily, as you can see. I think I'm gonna take the shade Deep Plum and apply that to my outer corner area. Whoa, beyond pigmented, like just pressing that color down. She came through, okay? And it's definitely a deep plum, so it's like true to color, whatever the name says it is. Okay, so it's a little windy outside, it's a little rude, okay? I know. I know you see it. I know you see it. Sis, you didn't have to go off like, you know you did. Like girl, you know you didn't have to go off like this, but it's okay. I see you, girl. I'm not mad at you. I'm gonna see what these shimmers looking like now. All right, so we're here. I'm kind of getting the vibe. All right, we're just rock with me, sis. Okay, we're rocking together. Okay, I think I'm gonna go in with the shade Violet. I think I'm just gonna go with the shade Violet with a flat brush. I'm gonna go ahead and spray with some Flicks Plus like I would do any shimmer, you know what I'm saying? And just see how she looking, because I do definitely suggest that if you're gonna use any shimmer, you better spray that hell down, okay? Yep. Yep, the shimmers are cute. The shimmers are definitely cute. Shimmers are definitely a bop. Like they're definitely really cute. Not the best shimmer shadows I've ever used, but it just looks really good. It's really nice. I'm just taking this purple on the outer crease area, trying to make something shimmery, smoky happen here with this purple. Violet or whatever. She looking real cute. So now I'm just going in with the shade Blue. I'm just go ahead and say buy this. Just buy it. Buy it. If you're not already down in the description box, checking the link out, buying this product.
It's not sold out. It probably is. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry because this is lit.
So this blue shimmer right here just gives me everything I need in life and more. This is making me happy. This is like getting food stamps. This would take me back to when we used to get food stamps and go to the grocery store and just rack up on all the good snacks. So this is pretty much it for the top part of my eyes. I want to go ahead and say that I do not see like a lot of fallout. Like a lot of fallout didn't happen or whatever. You can see looking at the palette, there's not too much craziness going on here. The products are pretty much staying where they need to be, inside the pan where they belong, you know. They're staying in their place, in a child's place with crayon. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, I think it's working out pretty good like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and highlight under my eyes and then do my lower lash, and I'll be back for like the finishing looks with the shadows and such. You'll see. Just hold on, girl. Okay, so for a lower lash line in a corner situation, I think I wanna do a little bit of orange and baby blue to see how that go together. We're gonna see how she looking or whatever, but if it don't come out good, don't come for me, okay? Thank you. Thanks. I appreciate it, because you're not gonna come for me. Okay, thanks. All right, she needs a different brush because that was a little rough. Now, let me make sure she a little wet. Much better. I just want to do like this little pop of, orange or whatever, you know. So the orange is definitely giving me a little bit of trouble, but it's still performing nicely. It's just giving me more trouble than the other ones did. So the orange is like that kid in the class who don't want to act right but got a lot of good in them, so you gotta like bring it out there and bang him upside the head a little bit. You know, after a little banging upside the head, she performing well. She looking real cute. Okay, as you can see, she hella cute. So to get this inner corner popping, let me just go in with baby blue. Oh. I'm gonna actually blend some of this blue up a little bit. This looks stunning. Honey. This is lit. I'm actually going with some of the shade White and just apply that to just make it even more bright, because, you know, why not be a little bit extra, make it a little bit more bright, you know what I'm saying? It ain't gonna hurt none. Ooh, so pretty. White is performing. She's there, you know. She's making sure she's a part of the classroom as well. So this is pretty much it for the eyes, aside from lashes and mascara that I'm gonna add later and everything like that. But I think I just wanna like take it a little step further. I'm not gonna be a basic person. Just give you, oh, little eyeshadows are cute, you know, you can use it for this colorful eye look. No, let's take it a step further, sis. Let's get your bang for your buck, okay? Your bang for your buck. 30 bones. Let's go. I'm gonna contour with this bad boy. I'm gonna see if she can contour me. So I'm gonna go in with the shade brown right here and see what she's talking about. Is she contourable? Bringing some like warm contour bronziness over here, so I'm here for it. Brown, all right. We're finna get our money's worth. $30. You finna do everything for me except for pay my bills, I guess. So if she can look, make a palette that can pay my bills. Make one. I tell you. I tell you to make a palette that's gonna pay my bills too.
Be rude one more time. One more time, be rude. The wind out there is crazy right now, y'all.
So maybe taking things a step further, but I'm gonna take a little bit of Deep Plum. Oh, y'all. I know y'all see that. Bone structure where? What surgeon? What cheek fillers? Not at all, because it's all natural. Okay, don't come for me. It's all natural. It's real. But if we're gonna contour it up a little bit, make it look a little bit better. Okay, so Deep Plum and brown mixed together creates a really beautiful, like, bronzy contour situation. And I'm here for it. So I know y'all just like me. We sis over here. We gang gang. So I know y'all want to see what this gold look like. I'm gonna go ahead and go into her and see what she like as a highlighter. It may be a little bit too cold, girl, but we gonna see. If I don't have 9 lives after this, she just gave me so much life. Bruh. This gold shadow for a highlighter is everything. But I'm gonna go into the shade Magenta to try to like bring it down, make it more rosy, more of a rose gold effect. I know y'all see that. Magenta came through and... So basically, I just created my own rose gold highlighter with this. Okay, see me. Mixing gold and magenta together gave me this glow right here. Okay. So not only does the Crayon Case have this Bond palette and other palettes, they have crayon like colored pencils or whatever, which is super, super cute. So you get like an extra color pencil, like I think like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like 6 or so come in a pack. And I'm not sure what color this is, but it's just a brown lip line. I'm gonna line my lips and then apply some gloss on top of them to bring this look together, and I'll be right back. Okay? Send me to school with this crayon box and I'm taking everybody Lunchables. All the Lunchables can be mine. I'm ruling the whole school, the whole cafeteria. Everything gonna be mine, sis. I have enjoyed just creating this look, stepping outside of my comfort zone. Not really even outside of my comfort zone because I'm always trying to push out the looks. Can I chill? Can you chill? Okay. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this because I really enjoyed this. I think that this is an amazing, super creative idea. They didn't take it from Crayola, so they're not probably should get something like that. I think the packaging is beautiful. The pan size of these are amazing. The super freaking cavalicious mirror is amazing. The quality of these shadows are dope. I use like a really good amount of shadows all over my face, the highlight, everything. Then the lip pencil. The lip pencil was gorgeous. This is the lip pencil, which is clear gloss on top of it. Like, their products are lit. I'm super excited for this brand to see what else they can do, what else they bring. I'm super here for it. Black-owned business, you know, like, hello, we are winning. I'm here for it. I'm super excited about this. Hope you guys enjoyed the look or whatever. Got into it, enjoyed the video. It wasn't too much of a tutorial, just see how these shadows pay off. If you like a colorful palette, I think it's gonna be an everyday palette as well too. Because you got your browns right here. You can use, I think the red really worked nicely on my skin tone for a crease color. Nice pop of color. You got the shadows here if you want like a black smoky eye. You got the silver, gold smoky eye. You got the shut up gold there. It can be like a really dope, versatile, everyday, universal type of palette. And I'm really excited to get more into this and do more creative looks with this palette. For $30, everything that you get with it, I think is such a dope deal. Like, sis did that. She did it. She knew what she was doing and she did her thing. So if you think I did my thing, here in this video, then go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you like this type of video. Then let me know down below. Subscribe, like it, thumbs it up, put the notifications on so you can see when I post and everything like that. So yeah, I know the products are probably sold out. I think I looked on the sold out right now, but stay on their website, get the notifications, sign up for subscriptions because you want this palette. Like, you want this palette, okay? Whatever else you want me to review, just let me know. Tag me down below. Tag me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter, whatever. Everything is gonna be throughout this video. And right here, right now, my Instagram and stuff like that, and down below, so you can just go straight to it, sis. So yeah, now I guess I just need to go ahead and answer some slow-mos and go take some pictures or whatever, and drink some wine that's waiting on me. See you guys when it's uploaded. Bye, guys.